If you think toaster ovens are only good for heating more slices of bread than a pop-up toaster can handle, you probably don't own a toaster oven yet. Once you realize today's toaster ovens are versatile enough to give your large oven a run for its money, you may wonder how you ever managed without one. Toaster ovens can be used for so much more than just toast and brown bagels. They can also be used to make a batch of chocolate chip cookies, roast vegetables, heat frozen snacks, broil meat and seafood, bake a whole chicken, and melt cheese on mini pizzas or open-faced sandwiches. Many toaster ovens now offer multiple cooking functions, like convection baking and air frying, and most are more energy efficient than a standard oven, which can help cut costs and keep the kitchen cooler during hot summer months. We've researched and reviewed top 5 models to compile our favorites with versatility and multifunctionality in mind. You can check for updated prices and availability by using the product links in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Carefully Picked channel for more reviews and buyer's guides. Now let's get started. Number 5 is the Black+Decker 4-slice toaster oven. If you're looking for a compact and budget-friendly toaster oven that can toast your bread and heat your pizza, but you don't need an oven replacement, this one fits the bill. It can toast up to 4 slices of bread at a time and has space for a 9-inch pizza. This has functions for baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. For toasting, it has different toast settings, so you'll get just the right level of brownness, and the 30-minute timer lets you cook foods longer. Customers are happy with how uncomplicated the oven is to use, and those with cramped kitchens praise its compact build. The removable crumb tray makes it easy to clean. It comes with a baking pan, broiling rack, and toasting rack. Number 4. The Cuisinart TOA 65. This is an air fryer toaster oven that can do it all. It includes 13 different cooking functions, including 5 different air fry settings, from nuggets to vegetables, dehydrate, roast, and dual cook, and 2 different modes, convection setting and frozen, that can be used with multiple functions and settings. We loved how quickly and powerfully the air fry function worked. Chicken wings cooked up the crispiest, and so did French fries in the shortest cooking times. It toasted the most even bread, baked a golden brown cake, and cooked frozen pizza to perfection. It heated the quickest and seemed to get the hottest. The control panel was a little difficult to use, but the user guide was very useful and included a lot of cooking tips, recipes, and charts. We liked the added bonus of being able to store the guide, loaded with recommended cooking times and rack positions, right below the oven. The stainless steel housing stayed cool during use, and all accessories were dishwasher safe. Number 3 is the Breville Smart Toaster Oven. If you're looking for a toaster oven that can handle a lot at once, and you're willing to spend a little more, we recommend the Breville Smart Oven Air Convection Toaster Oven. This glamorous appliance is chock full of cutting-edge features, such as 13 different cooking functions, including a dehydrate function and air fry function, 2 roomy oven racks, an enamel baking pan, a 13-inch non-stick pizza pan, and a broil rack. You'll be able to fry, roast, bake, and toast all your food to absolute perfection with this appliance. It can toast up to 9 slices of bread or roast a 14-pound turkey, and can accommodate a 5-quart Dutch oven for slow cooking a roaster batch of chili. For gourmet chefs and serious foodies, this popular Breville toaster oven is certainly worth the splurge. Online reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with hundreds of users reporting that this model far exceeds other toaster ovens. Number 2. The Panasonic Flashxpress Compact Toaster Oven. This highly rated toaster oven is compact and can automatically set the cooking time based on the food item selected from its presets. It features presets for toast, reheating waffles and rolls, and heating frozen foods like pizza and hash browns. We like that the rack is attached to the door, so it automatically pulls forward as you open it. Keep in mind that the oven will heat for a maximum of 25 minutes, so it's perfect for prepared frozen meals, but for longer bakes, you'll have to restart it. Reviewers noted that the pan is difficult to clean and rusts easily. We suggest covering it with a fitted layer of foil before placing food on it. Number 1 is the Breville Smart Compact Oven. Made with an exterior stainless steel housing that gives it a glossy finish, this specification really impresses for the price, especially when compared to premium models. Besides having a non-stick cavity coating that allows for easier cleaning, it also comes with 8 preset cooking functions, promising to deliver the right cooking temperature at the right time for a variety of foods. The Breville Mini might be small in stature, but it's mighty in power. Powered by 800 watts and a unique cooking technology called Element IQ technology, apart from distributing the heat more evenly, the machine itself can adjust the power of the cooking elements for optimal results. Plus, it guides you to perfection with a backlit easy red LCD display on the right, which always shows the correct time and temperature during reheating or cooking. It also has a precise timer and automatically shuts off after reaching the desired setting. Don't let its size fool you. This compact smart oven is roomy enough to accommodate 4 slices of toast, 113 pizzas, a 9x9 square pan, 5 potatoes, or a small batch of cookies. If you were on market for a toaster oven, we hope our list helped you choose the right model. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful reviews and buyer's guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.